I hope everybody can hear me now. Anyways, today is day 4. Day 4. So, and I made a breakthrough. Yep, first ever breakthrough. And hopefully I can go ahead and do it again and get this on camera. A mullet about this size. Now let's compare this. Still managed to get him to eat it. I felt his beak on the spray. Let's see. Can I do it again? Here we go. Okay. You know the routine. Come on. The hand is your friend. Yeah, good. Come on. Come on. You can do it. You want it. Boy. Yeah. You guys see that? Huh? Okay, now you're deciding to go away now, but you still at least did it. Thank you. I hope everybody could be able to see that. Right. You did it better down there than on the perch. Maybe you want it this way? Is this the way you want it? Huh? Yeah, that's how you want it. Okay. Thumbs up. The hand is your friend. It's not gonna hurt you. Come on, you just did it. Everybody saw you on YouTube. You've been exposed. Come on. Too late to go back. You've already got filmed. Alright. Oh no. Hey. Yeah, see? Alright. Guess that'll be it then. I hope you guys were able to see that. Alright, yeah, go ahead and eat your food. And I'll close up. Nighttime, so it's about time for you to go to bed. Thank you for cooperating with me, though. If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up. No, it's not your YouTube channel. No, it's not your YouTube channel, so don't worry, I'll make you one. I'll make you a channel.